Hey everyone. This video is for anyone who hasn't meditated before or maybe tried once or twice and didn't go so well. If you're interested in trying it out, stick with me. I always thought of meditation as the hardest, easy thing you'll have to do, or one of them. Meditation, most people tell you meditation is you just sit there and you be quiet, which is true. And it sounds pretty easy. So easy, kind of dumb, actually. But when you try it, it's a little tougher than it looks like. Calming your mind to the point that there's nothing there, harder than it seems. But I have faith in you. So I have devised a 1-minute test. Got 1 minute on the clock. So go ahead and get in your chair, or you're probably already in your chair, but go ahead and get comfortable. Just lean back. And we're going to close our eyes, just a simple everyday meditation, the simplest we can do. And I'm just going to hit the timer and try and keep no thoughts in your head. And go. Just deep breaths. All right. 1 minute. How'd that go? How many times did you get interrupted by thoughts? A little more challenging than it seems, right? That's okay. So our brain is just wired to just keep moving, just keep thinking of things, just like a TV, entertaining you all the time. And meditation is to calm that so we can be calm. Anytime you get interrupted in your meditation, you just come back to your breath. Probably do inhale for 4, out for 4, and just keep doing that to be nice and calm. And that's how you make yourself calm. The more you practice to calm your mind, the easier it gets, obviously, with any skill. First few times you do it, you probably stink at it. Meditation's the same way. The more you practice, the better you get. And then you can start doing pretty fun stuff with meditation as you get better. All you got to do is practice 5 minutes a day. And every time a thought races through your head, just don't interact with it. Just think of it as a cloud passing by in the sky. Just nice cloud. All right, see you later. And you come back to your breath. 4 in, 4 out. Over and over until it finally takes. And even when you get really good at meditation, you've been doing it for a while, you still get interrupted. And sometimes later on, once you're a little better and you can use meditation for what you want, you can choose to interact with that thought. Maybe it's something in your past that you need to work on. Maybe it's something you need to mull over and it popped up out of nowhere seemingly. Or you can just let it pass by like a fluffy cloud. That's it. That's all you got to do right now. Try it 5 minutes a day, every day. Just that easy.